Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Which of the following statements about Mulk Raj Anand's early intellectual development is most accurate? A. He developed his literary interests entirely within India. B. His exposure to European philosophy and literature significantly shaped his intellectual outlook. C. He rejected European literature throughout his career. D. His literary education was restricted to Sanskrit classics. The right answer is option B. Anand's years in England exposed him to European literature, philosophy, political thought, and modern intellectual movements that influenced his later fiction. Next question. Which philosopher's ideas concerning social justice and human freedom are particularly relevant to Anand's intellectual formation? A. Bertrand Russell. B. Arthur Schopenhauer. C. Martin Heidegger. D. Edmund Husserl. The right answer is option A. Bertrand Russell was an important intellectual influence during Anand's years in England. Next question. Which of the following best explains the significance of Marg in Mulk Raj Anand's career? A. It was a political newspaper devoted to the independence movement. B. It was an art journal concerned with Indian art, architecture, and culture. C. It was a literary magazine devoted exclusively to poetry. D. It was a journal of British colonial administration. The right answer is option B. Anand founded Marg in 1946 as an important journal devoted to Indian art, architecture, and cultural heritage. Next question. Which of the following is correctly associated with The Old Woman and the Cow? A. The protagonist is Gauri. B. It is another title for The Road. C. It is set entirely in Europe. D. It is Anand's first novel. The right answer is option A. The Old Woman and the Cow, also known as Gauri, centers on the life and struggles of Gauri. Next question. Which social institution is particularly subjected to criticism in The Old Woman and the Cow? A. The Indian caste and patriarchal social order. B. The British Parliament. C. The European university system. D. The military establishment. The right answer is option A. The novel examines caste, patriarchy, rural oppression, and the limited social position of women. Next question. Which of the following works appeared after the completion of Anand's major 1930 sequence of socially realistic novels? A. Untouchable. B. Coolie. C. Two Leaves and a Bud. D. The Big Heart. The right answer is option D. The Big Heart appeared in 1945, after Anand's major early novels of the 1930s. Next question. Which novel presents the conflict between an Indian prince and the political realities of post-colonial India? A. The Private Life of an Indian Prince. B. The Sword and the Sickle. C. The Village. D. Seven Summers. The right answer is option A. The Private Life of an Indian Prince examines the collapse of princely privilege in the changing political order after independence. Next question. Which of the following is the correct publication sequence? A. The Old Woman and the Cow, The Road, Morning Face. B. The Road, The Old Woman and the Cow, Morning Face. C. Morning Face, The Road, The Old Woman and the Cow. D. The Road, Morning Face, The Old Woman and the Cow. The right answer is option A. The Old Woman and the Cow, 1960. The Road, 1961. Morning Face, 1968. Next question. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? A. The Old Woman and the Cow, Gauri. B. The Big Heart, Ananta. C. The Road, Bhikhu. D. Coolie, Bakha. The right answer is option D. Bakha is the protagonist of Untouchable, while Munu is the protagonist of Coolie. Next question. Which literary category is most appropriate for describing Anand's Untouchable? A. Historical romance. B. Social problem novel. C. Gothic novel. D. Detective fiction. The right answer is option B. Untouchable is a powerful social problem novel dealing with caste discrimination and human dignity. Next question. Which of the following best explains Anand's use of English in his fiction? A. He deliberately avoided Indian linguistic and cultural elements. B. He adapted English prose to represent Indian speech patterns, social realities, and cultural contexts. C. He used exclusively Elizabethan English. D. He translated all his novels from Sanskrit. The right answer is option B. Anand indigenized English prose by incorporating Indian idioms, social situations, vocabulary, and cultural references. Next question. Which novel most directly connects the condition of laborers with the colonial plantation economy? A. The Big Heart. B. Two Leaves and a Bud. C. The Road. D. The Private Life of an Indian Prince. The right answer is option B. Two Leaves and a Bud exposes the exploitation of Indian plantation workers within the colonial economic system. Next question. Assertion A. Anand's novels frequently challenge the relationship between economic exploitation and social hierarchy. Reason R. His oppressed characters are often simultaneously disadvantaged by caste, class, poverty, or colonial power. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is option A. Anand's social realism repeatedly connects economic and social forms of oppression. Next question. Which of the following works is not a novel by Mulk Raj Anand? A. The Lost Child, B. The Road, C. The Big Heart, D. The Private Life of an Indian Prince. The right answer is option A. The Lost Child is a short story and is associated with Anand's short story writing, not his novels. Next question. Which of the following best represents the relationship between Anand's fiction and Gandhian thought? A. Anand rejected all Gandhian ideas. B. His fiction often reflects concerns with human dignity, removal of untouchability, and moral reform associated with Gandhian thought. C. Anand wrote exclusively as a Gandhian political propagandist. D. Gandhian ideas appear only in his autobiographical writings. The right answer is option B. Although Anand was not simply a Gandhian novelist, his concern with human dignity, caste reform, and social equality intersects with important Gandhian ideals. Next question. Which publication year is correctly paired with the work? A. The Private Life of an Indian Prince 1953, B. The Old Woman and the Cow 1958, C. The Road 1964, D. Morning Face 1971. The right answer is option A. The Private Life of an Indian Prince was published in 1953.